In front of me is Asus ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files from Google Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Hit Continue. Use the switcher next to allow access to manage all files and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Then hit Clean over here. Select Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!